Friends, welcome to my channel Unscrambler, and today in this video I will solve this master's cube. This is our master's cube and we can solve this cube very easily. So if we can solve simple 3 by 3 Rubik's cube, so we can easily solve this super's cube. In this cube we have total 3 layers. So this is our first layer, this is our middle and second layer, and this is our third layer. And in this cube, this is our center point. So this is same like 3 by 3 center point, but in this cube we have 4 different color in every center point. And similar these bigger size pieces, so these are our edge pieces, and these 3 color pieces are our corner pieces. And in this super cube we have, in this side we have orange color, so its opposite side we have also orange color. Similar there is green, so our green opposite color is also green. There is yellow, its opposite also yellow. So we have double color in every side. And in this super cube we have two same colors corner pieces. For example, this is white, red and green. And if we rotate cube in its opposite side, so this is white, green and red, so this is opposite piece, so this is also white, green and red. Similar, this is red, orange and blue. Similar, its opposite corner piece is also orange, blue and red. So we have same color pieces in our front side and also in our back side. It's mean one piece we can fix in this position and second we can fix in this side. So now I will scramble this cube and then I will solve this cube. Okay, I have scrambled my cube. So this is our super cube, and first I will show simple cube. So this is our simple cube. Now when we start to solve this cube, so our first step same like simple 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. Same like that, our first step we can create one cross by matching these colors. So similar in this cube we will select any one center point. So these 4 color pieces are our center points, so we can select any one. In this cube we have no specific white color, so we can select any one. For example, if I start from this point, so in this side I have white color, so I will just rotate this front layer like that, and I will match these white arrow. This is done. Now rotate in this side, so there is red arrow, so we will rotate this front layer and match red with red. This is done. In this side we have matched orange properly. There is yellow, so rotate this front layer and match yellow with yellow. Okay, so now you can see we have matched all 4 these arrow. So now our next step we will match these edge pieces. For example, there is orange, there is also orange, so we will fix in this position orange edge piece, in this side red, in this side white, in this side yellow. So hold it cube like that, and this is our yellow, so we can find yellow in this bottom layer. So we have no any yellow color, so first we will find, so one yellow edge piece we have in this side, one in this side. Any one we will rotate like that, then take out of the way and bring this layer up. because this is our solved portion. Now we have fixed our yellow edge piece in this bottom layer. Now we will fix yellow in this position. So just rotate this layer like that, and then rotate this bottom layer and match yellow edge with yellow corner, center, and again bring it up. Okay, so yellow we have fixed properly. In this side we need white, so first we will find our white in this bottom. So we have no any white edge piece, so there is white. First we will shift this white in this bottom layer, then rotate this layer up, and now we will fix our white edge piece on this position. So first take out of the way, then rotate this layer in this down position, again rotate like that. So we have match white with white and then bring it up. This is done. There is red, so first we will find red. So we have one red available in this position. Just rotate this layer in this down position, then match this red with this red arrow and bring it up. This is fixed. Now we have left with orange, so we have available orange. Just rotate in this bottom layer, then rotate this orange layer, match orange with orange and bring it up. So now you can see we have matched all 4 edge pieces properly. So this step we have completed. Same like 3 by 3 we have create our cross. So when we complete this step, so now we need to fix these 4 corner pieces. If we hold cube like that, so there is yellow, there is orange, and in this side we have green color. So we need yellow, orange and green corner piece. We will find yellow, orange and green. So we have no any yellow, orange and green in this bottom layer. We will find, okay, so one yellow, orange and green we have in this position. We will bring it down, then again rotate this layer up. Similar, we have another yellow, orange and green in this layer, so we will also bring it down, take out of the way and bring this layer up. Now we will try this yellow, orange. If we cannot match this piece, so we will fix our second yellow, orange and green. So first we will try from this piece. So this piece we need to fix on this position, so simply we will apply R prime, D prime, R, D. So you can see in this side we have match orange, but in this side yellow is not matching. Similar, in this side green is not matching, so this is our wrong piece. We will fix this piece in this opposite side. So we will leave this piece and find second edge piece. Okay, so this is our correct piece. We will fix this piece on this side. So again apply R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. Okay, so we have fixed this corner piece properly. Now we will rotate cube in this position, and in this side we need to fix white, yellow and blue piece. We will find our white, yellow and blue. So one white, yellow and blue we have available. So first we will try this piece. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. Okay, so this is fixed properly. Now we will fix white, red and green. First we will find, so one available piece white and red and green in this bottom layer. Second we have in this position. So this is our wrong piece. because the red is matching with red but green and white are not matching. So this is our correct piece. So we will fix this piece by using same simple 3 by 3 algorithm R prime D prime RD. So this is totally simple 3 by 3 Rubik's cube step, as we can solve a simple 3 by 3 first layer. Now we need orange, red and blue. So we have one orange, red and blue in this position. So first we will try this piece by using algorithm R prime D prime RD. Okay, so this is fixed, and you can see we have solved our this first layer. So this step we have complete. Now rotate cube in this position. We will put this solve layer in this bottom position, same like simple 3 by 3, and we will fix these as pieces, and these piece we can also solve same like simple 3 by 3. So there is green, there is also green, there is also green. So it's mean this green edge piece we need to fix on this position. So we can fix this piece from left side, and also we can fix from right side. So we can fix this piece from any one side. If I fix this piece from left side, so we will place this piece in front of then U R U prime R prime. So these two are matching properly. Then U prime L prime U L. This is fixed properly. Now we need blue. So this is our blue piece, and we can also fix this piece from right side. If we fix from right side, so our algorithm is U prime L prime U L U F U prime and then F prime. This is fixed. We need green, so we have no green. This is blue, so first we will fix blue, because when we fix blue, this green will shift in this top side, and then we will fix green on this position. So we can fix from left side U R U prime R prime U prime L prime U L. Now we have left with green. So this is green. In this time I will fix green from right side. U prime L prime U L U F U prime and then F prime, and we have fixed overall for these pieces. So this step we have completed. Now we will solve our this top layer. So when we solve this top layer, so our first step we will match these arrows. So there is red in this position, we will find red. So we will match one piece, so every arrow will match properly. So this step we have complete, and now we will fix all four edge pieces properly. So hold it cube like that and apply simple 3 by 3 algorithm R U R prime U R U2 R prime. So I have apply algorithm one time, so I have matched one edge piece properly. Now we will place this edge piece in front of, I mean in this middle layer. So this is our right, this is our left, and again apply algorithm R U R prime U R U2 R prime. So only one edge piece is matching properly, so we will again apply our algorithm R U R prime U R U2 R prime. And now you can see we have solved our cross and we have fixed all four edge pieces. Now we will fix these corner pieces. So same simple 3 by 3 trick. First we will find any one corner that is matching properly. So this piece is not matching properly because we need orange, red and blue, and in this corner we have no orange and blue, only we have red. In this position we need white, red and green, so this is also wrong piece. There we need yellow, white and blue, so this is also wrong piece. And similar orange, yellow and green, so this is also, so we have no any one corner piece in proper position. So we can apply algorithm from any position. So our algorithm is u r u prime l prime u r prime u prime l. And now you can see our one corner piece we have fixed properly, white, red and green, white, red and green. So this is fixed properly. This is not matching properly, this is also not matching, this is also. So one piece we have fixed properly. Now we will place this piece in our front right side. So from this position apply again our algorithm u r u prime l prime u r prime u prime l. Okay, so this is fixed, this is also in correct position, this is also, and this is also. Now we will just flip these two corner pieces. So simply we can use r prime d prime r d trick. R prime d prime r d, r prime d prime r d, r prime d prime r d, r prime d prime r d. So this is fixed, just take out of the way and continue algorithm from this position. R prime d prime r d, r prime d prime r d. Okay, and now we will just match this top layer and our cube will be solved. So this is our super cube. So this is solved, but sometime in third layer we can face one kind of parity. So I will show that parity. Okay, so this is our last layer and we have matched these pieces, and in last layer sometime we can face parity. So this is our parity error. You can see these two edge pieces are matching, these two are not matching. If we apply algorithm r u r prime u r u2 r prime, again r u r prime u r u2 r prime, so there is no one edge piece matching. We will apply r u r prime u r u2 r prime. So again you can see we have created our this straight line. We hold it cube like that, and again if we apply r u r prime u r u2 r prime, so you can see we have this kind of situation. I mean we will match only two edge pieces and two edge pieces are flipped. So this is our parity of third layer. This yellow need to fix on this side, this orange need to fix on this side. When we find this kind of parity, so we will keep this bottom layer in this like that, I mean in this down position, and these two pieces are flipped. So we will replace any one piece from this top layer. So this is orange, so we can replace orange with this orange edge piece. So just bring this layer down, replace this orange with this like that, and again this layer bring it up. And now we will again rematch our these corner pieces and we will solve our this first layer. So orange, red and blue, there is orange, red and blue, apply r prime d prime r d. So this is wrong piece, find another piece. So this is, so we need to try fix this piece by using technique r prime d prime r d. Okay, so this is fixed. Now we need to fix yellow, green and orange. Okay, so this is done, and now we will solve first this middle layer. by using same simple 3 by 3 technique. I mean, we can apply right side algorithm, and also we can apply left side algorithm. So any one algorithm we can apply in this middle layer. So this middle layer we have done, and now we have left with this top layer. So first we will match these arrows, so these are matching properly. And now apply algorithm R U R prime U R U2 R prime. Okay, so we have solved our parity. You can see one edge piece is matching properly, 3 edge pieces are rotated. So hold it cube like that, keep this edge piece in this middle layer and front of us and apply algorithm R U R prime U R U2 R prime, and you can see we have solved our cross. Now we will find any one corner that is matching properly. So I think this is matching because red orange blue. So hold it cube like that and apply U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L. So only one piece is matching. Again apply U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime and L prime. So we have matched all corner pieces. Just we will rotate R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D. This is done. Take out of the way. Apply from this position R prime D prime R D, and our cube will be solved. So only one parity we can face in this cube, and we can solve that parity easily. We will just match our cube, and our super cube we have solved properly.